This little dog laughed at everyone, but karma was waiting. In a small town, there lived a tiny dog named Bruno. Bruno loved making fun of others. He laughed at a slow turtle. He mocked a weak kitten. He thought he was better than everyone. One dark, rainy night, Bruno slipped into a deep pit. He cried for help, but no one came. Then the turtle stopped. The kitten pushed a rope. Together, they saved Bruno. Bruno lowered his head in shame. From that day on, he never laughed at anyone again. Moral: never laugh at others. Life can change in one